everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Itonga from the 29th to the 2nd of January 2026 on Monday. Mampele is between a rock and a hard place. The past come knocking from the word or woodworks. No wonder it's suspicious, but Mbongeni maintained his poker face on Tuesday. Pablo and Makhumalo's love bends, but secret shadows linger. The Dladlas are conflicted with pressure for the truth and questions no one is ready to answer on Wednesday. After a narrowly escaping death, Makhumalo makes a huge decision. Temba makes a discovery that could destroy his family on Thursday. Makhumalo set a plan to eradicate the Ntanzi's motion while Mampele's desperation to save her marriage sent her to the wrong place at the wrong time on Friday. The Dladlas are torn apart as a demand for DNA test ignites a fury and creates camps that push further division. When poison rips through the Ntanza home, a loved one collapses to his death as Pablo finds comfort in Makhumalo. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.